Nothing like cooking is setting off the smoke alarm. I guess I'm a bad cook. Everyone, we got a new product that was sent to us. Stay tuned as I cook something in this, or will I burn it? What we have here is the Tastee Sensor Magic Air Fryer. And what I see great about it, it's got its own internal thermometer that tells you how hot that food is. It comes with a rack that you will put, put here. Now I've always used an air fryer right here. This part is like when I'm doing my fries, tater tots, sausage, and stuff like that. And it has another type rack. Isn't that cool? Comes with instructions and 50 recipes. Plus, there's an app that you can download on your Apple phone or Android phone for even more recipes and ideas. So let's get this started. I got the chicken ready, so let's see if I can make a chicken. Oh yes, it also comes with paper liners, 30 of them. So let's get this baby seasoned up and ready to go. Alright, I'm just keeping it simple. A little salt and pepper, seasoning, a little olive oil. We're going to put this baby in here, and I put it breast side down. And as you can see, I just stuck my thermometer down in there. And shove it. Let's plug her in and get her started. Alright, here's it all lit up. We're going to do a chicken. Let's see. Where all the... No, we're not going to do wings. I'm going to leave it on the breast setting. I got the breast side cooking down because according to the recipe, alright, I want the temperature. I'm learning as we go here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I got the temperature set, and that's where I want the internal temperature to be. So let's get it started and turned on and get our chicken cooking. Alright. Now we're going to cook. I got the thermometer all set, and all it is plugged in right here in the side, and you insert it down into the meat. We're going to try this baby out, and I'm going to let you know what happened. Oh yeah, when you're not using the thermometer, it stores into this and goes right here on the side. Nothing like cooking is setting off the smoke alarm. I guess I'm a bad cook. It's still cooking, but I set the smoke alarm off.
What's that taste will taste like?
I don't know what it's going to taste like if I set the smoke alarm off.
Hold up.
Oh, sheep fire. I'm going to show you something. Watch this. See? You can see it cooking in there. Let's take a peek. I gotta take a peek. Ooh, getting a little brown on top. I wonder if I need to flip it. Yeah, that's why I set the smoke alarm off. It's done. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Whew, steamed up the camera. And that looked good. Alright, the temperature probe out, and we're going to put it on the cutting board here and let it rest while we finish up our supper. Ah, yummy. Now we're going to let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is the first time ever cooking a whole chicken in an air fryer, so I'm really anxious to find out how it turned out. But it was a little over an hour, and made sure the internal temperature came up to 165. I found the recipe on the internet, so we're going to give this baby a try.
What do you want? Get your toy. Tucker, get your toy.
This air fryer is very simple to learn how to use, and it has an app that you can hook up to it and set your temperatures and do all kinds of things. Plus the app has plenty of recipes, and like I said, it comes with the recipe book. Also, I didn't show you, it comes with a set of tongs and a fork and knife. I tell you what, if you want the best tasting, juicy steak ever, air fryer is the way to go. And this is dishwasher safe. Look at all that fat down in there. It's rested. And now, time to try it out. I got it done. Looks juicy and tender. But yeah, hey, it's got to be Tucker approved. Hang on. All right, Tucker. Whoop.
Yummy. Tucker approved. Give me more. Give me more.
All right, everyone. We'll see you on down the road. You never know what other recipes we're going to try. Because I got a lot of things planned for this tasty air fryer.